Let us download different operating system or Windows operating system. First, we are going to download or install Windows 7. Just find Windows 7 file on your computer. Select ISO image from it. Click Others. And select the file, Windows file that you download. Remove the underscore from the hostname so that we can go to the next part. Click Next. We can adjust the base memory and the processor for the better download or installing. Click Finish. Then wait for the operating system or the Windows to start up. Here we go, we can see the VirtualBox is working smoothly on our computer. Just click Ctrl P to unpause the VirtualBox and proceed to the installation. As you can see, setup is starting. And now we are going to wait for the installation. Here it is copying Windows files, expanding Windows files, installing features, installing updates, then completing installation. I fast forward the video from this part so that you're not going to lose patience while waiting for the download or complete setup. It is now installing updates, and here is going to start. Setup is updating. It is completing installations. And now it is preparing on desktop. And the Windows 7 our VirtualBox is now finally working. Now let's proceed to other Windows operation system, which is the Windows Server 2008. So before that, we're going to close it, choose power off the machine, and then click OK. And then again we click New. We're going to find the Windows Server 2008. So I can't find the file from the version. I can find the version Windows Server 2008. That's why I'm going to direct select it from the ISO image. Select the file that I download, Windows Server 2008, and then add file name or host name. I named it Windows Server 2008, and then I click Next. And again, remove the spaces from the host name so that we can proceed to the next part. Adjust the base memory in the processors, and then click Next and finish. From here, we're going to wait again for the VirtualBox to run the installation of Windows Server 2008. As you can see, it is starting Windows again. So I fast forward the video again from up here so that you will not lose patience from waiting for the complete installation of Windows 2008. The setup is starting, and now it is copying Windows, expanding Windows files, installing features, installing updates, and finally, it is completing installation. Without fast forward on the video, the installation gonna take more longer than this. Estimated time is 30 minutes for complete setup. Here our Windows is starting, and as you can see, it is completing installation now. Then it will restart automatically. It's preparing a desktop, and finally our Windows 2008 is finally installed on our computer, on Windows VirtualBox rather. Now for the last Windows operation, the Windows XP. Again, let's click New, ISO image, let us find Windows XP from our file. Add a file name, name it Windows XP, then click Next. Then remove spaces, adjust the base memory, processors, they all have the same steps on installing Windows operating system on VirtualBox. But they have different longevity in terms of downloading or installing. As you can see here, I'm trying to find the product key of this Windows because it needs a product key. Fast forward the video from here. Seriously, don't mind the messages. I'm trying to find the product key. Here, I copied the product key from the messenger. Then I am trying to paste it in this operating system. It is now installing devices. Now I am trying to paste the product key, but then I find out that it cannot be pasted. So then I manually type it. And then after typing the product key, Now our Windows XP is finally okay. So I'm going to shut it down so that our Windows XP are not going to debunk from the virtual box. And from here, our video is finally done. So thanks for watching, guys. I hope you learned something. I hope you learned how to install different Windows operating system on uh, VirtualBox. Thank you.